167. Blind Faith. Chalcedon Report number 419, June 2000. I was in the 8th grade when I read Charles Darwin's On the Origin of Species. I read it at first receptively and then with shock. It was difficult reading because it demonstrated nothing, but was written as an act of faith, a colossal and blind faith. It was widely accepted when first published in 1859, and the first printing sold out in 2 days. As George Bernard Shaw, who accepted Darwin, observed, the book was seen as man's liberation from the God of Christianity. Today, this false liberation continues to dominate civilization. Men want freedom from Christ, not truth. They will not consider alternatives to their blind faith in Darwinism. We live, therefore, in a culture based on this. Many civilizations have done this before us, and their end has been death. Since roughly 1660, humanism has dominated the Western world and now most other areas. Since the rise of public education, it has been extended to all classes and is now dominant in virtually all major churches. Despite high hopes for the 21st century, its prospects are very bad unless it returns to Christ. The 20th century has been called by able scholars the bloodiest and most evil of all centuries. Without a return to the faith, the 21st will be worse. A common view in many churches is that the Christian gospel is comprehended by being born again. This, however, is the beginning, not the end of faith. When it becomes the totality of the faith, it is a departure from Christ. Its goal is then self-centered and wrong. The triune God redeems us to fulfill Adam's calling to exercise dominion, and if we fail to do so, we leave all things under the dominion of the fall. Our faith becomes a man-centered one, and we sin against our Lord. What direction will the church take in this century?